Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to delete a page in the middle of your Word document. First, identify the page you wish to remove. Then, simply place your cursor at the very beginning of that unwanted page. Now, press the Delete key repeatedly until the entire page, along with its content, completely disappears. This is the quickest method for straightforward page removal. For a more visual approach, you can utilize the navigation pane. To open it, simply press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Once open, navigate to the Pages tab, which displays all your document's pages as small thumbnails. Find the page you want to delete, click its thumbnail, and then press the Delete key. This offers a precise way to target and remove pages. Often, blank pages appear due to hidden formatting. To reveal these, click the paragraph symbol on the Home tab to show all formatting marks. Look for extra paragraph breaks, manual page breaks, or section breaks. Select these hidden marks and press Delete to remove them. This action will typically eliminate the blank page, tidying up your document effectively. Section breaks are powerful tools, but they can also introduce unwanted pages. With formatting marks visible, you can clearly see where these breaks are located. Identify the specific section break that is creating the extra page you wish to remove. Select it carefully and press Delete. Always double-check your document's layout afterward to ensure everything remains perfectly aligned.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.